guys, welcome to Make It Monday. This is another edition of both Mr. Smith and Mrs. Smith bringing you a fun Make It Monday craft.
For this craft, I am going to repurpose last week's Make It Monday quarantine craft and put these toilet paper rolls to use once again.
Hey, so this week my third graders are reading about how things were different in the past versus how things are now. So they might be learning about how we did research differently in the past. We may have used books in the past and now we use computers. And one of the things talks about what people used to do for fun in the past. A lot of times you guys love playing video games. Now, video games weren't always a thing. People had to come up with things to do, and one of those things was people would sit around and play music together. So today we are going to learn how to make our very own rain stick for our own music making. So what you will need: paper towel rolls or toilet paper rolls, blank paper, which if you want you could repurpose your packet, or if you want you could use construction paper if you have construction paper laying around, some tape or glue, some sort of adhesive, some foil, and some rice. And if you're using white paper, I brought out my markers that just, fell over everywhere. But I brought out my markers so I could decorate my paper, and that way my rain stick isn't just white, it'll be all colorful and fun. Let's get started. First step.
Starting with our tubes, right?
Yeah, we gotta put them together. So I got some big tape.
I got some masking tape that I'm going to use. Also, obviously, if you're using a paper towel roll, this is not one of the steps that you'll follow.
Yeah.
I decided to keep my strings on here because I thought after I make it, I can put it on like a...
Oh, I like that idea, Mr.
My rain stick strap.
Tube of cardboard.
I'm going to add a couple layers of tape because I feel like this is a really vulnerable part.
Okay, next step, grab a piece of paper, and on your piece of paper, you are going to trace the bottom of your circle twice, and we are going to cut around them. So spread them far apart. You want them to be far apart, because we're not going to cut the exact circle you trace, we're going to cut around it. So make sure you put your circles kind of on opposite ends of the paper so that you have enough room to cut around them. Okay, so I have traced mine. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna cut kind of around it. So he drew around it so he could kind of see, and I just kind of cut mine out. And then next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut slits all around, because this is going to be the bottom and top part of my tube, and that way when I go to put it on it, it'll fold over it really easily if I make slits in it all the way going around. If you don't have scissors, you could probably tear carefully and tear your slits in if you wanted to do that pretty well. And your middle circle is a guide to where you know you need to stop cutting, and that's why we make that trace.
So these are just going on the end, right?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
So we go ahead and put one on.
Yep, so that's our next step. We're gonna cover just the bottom because we've got to fill the top. And if you're using paper that's recycled, I'm gonna make sure that my white part is up. So basically just put it on there and then fold it down, and you're gonna kind of squish all those slits together and then just tape around the edges. Okay, so we've got our bottoms taped. If you want, you could color that with marker, or you can wait till the end and do that. Next step is our foil, okay? You're gonna take a piece of foil each. With your foil, you are going to roll it up. Okay, you're gonna start wrapping it around the outside just to kind of make it spiral around. And the point of this is that we just want it to be able to fit inside of our tube. And so if it's already kind of in a spiral, it'll be easier for it to fit inside. So I spiraled it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna shove it in there. And this will help provide some stability, so like your cardboard tubes aren't super thick. So the foil is a nice kind of helper of, it kind of makes your walls of your rain stick a little bit more sturdy, which is super awesome. And if you need to, you could use your scissors to poke it in there, but be very careful.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Next up, we pour our rice in.
Don't forget your rice. I was about to go, I'm done. Tape this thing on here. It doesn't make any rain yet. Don't forget to add your rain. I want a lot of rain in mine because, you know, it's sort of, yeah, everybody's a little stressed. We're all stuck at home. Your hair's getting long. You're starting to feel crazy. You've already watched everything on Netflix. Maybe you've grown a mustache. And you need some nice soothing rain to help you calm down. That's what I'm after with this craft today. I can tape this on here now, right?
Yes, yeah. Once you get your rice in, go ahead and grab your other circle that you have cut slits in and tape it on.
I feel like the appearance of both of our crafts speak heavily to the types of people that we are. Yours is very nice and neat. Mine looks pretty crumpled, but I mean, it'll do the job. This is classic Mr. Smith. It's good enough.
Your last step is to grab your last piece of paper, or if you want, you could grab a piece of construction paper. Okay, doesn't matter. And basically what you will do is you will tape along one side so that it's secured, and then you will roll it till it is covered and tape it again. So I've got it wrapped around. I'm gonna tape this other edge.
It's like a crafting earthquake on the camera over here.
Are we shaking the table too much?
It's fine.
I feel like that's not my fault.
Just being really mean to me. We've been around each other for a lot of days now. I'm gonna draw clouds on my rain stick because that's where rain comes from. Let's see. Let's make it rain. Oh, it's.
What do you think?
It's so soothing.
So here's my rain stick. I made a little pattern all around it. So here we have our. What do you guys think? And if you get tired of rain stick, you can always
Also, yeah.
rocket it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this Make It Monday craft with Mr. Smith and Mrs. Smith.
Hope you have a great day and make some music or soothe yourself into a nice rainy nap.